Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel WA Electronics. Today we're unboxing and reviewing the Zoyi ZT-XR1 digital multimeter plus battery internal resistance tester. This isn't just your average multimeter. It's a 25,000 count professional tool with a built-in battery internal resistance tester, making it super useful for anyone into electronics repair, battery diagnostics, or DIY projects. We'll unbox it, go over the features, and most importantly, test it with real batteries and real measurements. Let's get started. Let's open it up and see what we get inside the box. In the box, you get the ZT-XR1 battery test multimeter itself, a 4-pin Kelvin clip test probe, a pair of high-quality multimeter test leads, a thermocouple test sensor probes, USB Type-C charging cable, a protective carrying pouch for multimeter, a user manual in English and Chinese, the first impression? This thing feels solid but lightweight, just 193 grams. At the front, we have a 2.4-inch full-color display, a nice upgrade compared to regular monochrome meters. It's compact. The body size is just 149 by 76 by 33.5 millimeters, making it portable yet comfortable to hold. On the back, you'll find the Type-C charging port, and yes, it supports 5 volts/1 ampere charging. The 2,000 milliamp hour lithium battery means you won't be changing batteries all the time. Plus, it has auto power off to save energy. The firmware can even be upgraded, so it stays future-proof. This meter is loaded with a lot of features and can handle almost everything. True RMS measurements for accurate AC readings, 4-wire measurement for precise battery internal resistance testing, measures AC voltage up to 1,000 volts and DC voltage up to 750 volts. Resistance range from 1 ohms all the way to 250 mega ohms, capacitance up to 99.99 millifarads, frequency up to 999.9 kilohertz. Plus, it has diode testing and a continuity buzzer. Now here's what makes the ZT-XR1 stand out. It can measure the internal resistance of batteries. With its 4-wire method, it gives highly accurate readings from 0.1 milliohms to 200 ohms. This is extremely useful for checking the health of lithium batteries, power banks, or even larger battery packs. A high internal resistance usually means your battery is aging or losing efficiency. Now let's test the battery internal resistance feature, which makes this device unique. AA alkaline battery. Test shows both voltage and internal resistance, helping you see if it's still usable. (18650) lithium cell. Perfect for checking battery health before reusing in DIY projects. phone battery, or power bank. Shows internal resistance to determine if the battery is aging. Nickel-cadmium battery pack, or e-bike or tool battery, etc. Check if the pack has consistent resistance values. Higher resistance means reduced capacity. This is incredibly useful because voltage alone doesn't tell the full story. A battery may show full voltage, but still be weak if internal resistance is high. Time to see what this multimeter can really do. From voltage to continuity, we're testing it all. AC voltage test. Plug into a wall socket or extension cord. Reading shows accurate mains voltage. DC voltage test. Measure a DC power supply or battery. Shows stable and precise results. The display is clear, fast, and accurate. Resistance measurement. Check unknown resistor. Again, very responsive. Instant reading up to mega ohms. Continuity buzzer. Touch probes together. Loud, clear beep for quick circuit checks. Diode test. Check a small diode. Reads forward voltage drop perfectly. Capacitance test. Test electrolytic capacitor. Shows capacitance value correctly. Works great for electrolytic and ceramic capacitors. Frequency test. Measure from a signal generator. Reads clean frequency output. The 2.4-inch colored display makes data easy to read, even in bright light. Pros and cons. Pros: multimeter plus battery tester in one device. Accurate 4-wire internal resistance testing. True RMS with 25,000 count precision. Big, clear colored display. Rechargeable battery plus Type-C charging. Firmware upgrade support. Cons: slightly bulkier than pocket multimeters. Extra features may feel advanced for beginners. So, is the Zoyi ZT-XR1 worth it? Absolutely! If you're into electronics repair, battery diagnostics, or need a reliable, professional-grade multimeter, this tool packs a lot of value. The battery internal resistance tester alone sets it apart from many regular multimeters in the same price range. It's a complete diagnostic tool for both electronics and batteries. That's it for today's unboxing and review of the Zoyi ZT-XR1 digital multimeter plus battery internal resistance tester. I'll leave the buying link in the description below if you want to check it out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hands-on reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.